Hey everybody, it's Nylon. I am here with Penny and we have a new collar. Look at this. And I think this color is pink because Penny's a girl. And so this is what the collar looks like here. It kind of clips like this. It has a little tag on it here. So you can program so that people can scan that. If she gets lost, people can scan that and then you can go ahead and set that up with your online profile. So then if she gets lost, all they have to do is scan this and they'll give me a call and I'll go pick her up. She's pretty good, but she might want to get out of her cage or something like that. So let's see. If I put this on her, she's not even moving right now, but this is what it looks like on Penny. See, it's just a cute little pink collar and looks nice and it's good. She's hardly even moving, but she's so good. But that's kind of what it'll be here. And I'll stick an air tag on there or something like that too. So she'll be all good. Right, Penny? Oh, look at you, Penny. Oh, you're such a good girl. Yes, you are. Okay, and so this is a really nice looking collar and it's gonna have that nice little finding feature and you can totally adjust it. Actually, I'll probably have to make it a little bit smaller for her because she's, I could probably almost fit that over her head. But that is cool. So really cool. Thumbs up. I like it.